Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you turn off or disable the active status on your Facebook account using the Facebook app or even the Messenger app, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you how can you turn it off in both apps. So let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook and Messenger app, let's head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. First, find Facebook by searching for it in the top right here. From the results, make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version. Next, we need to go ahead and find Messenger, and as well, make it sure it is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process, guys. So let's go ahead and update, and then quick from here, open Facebook first. Make sure you're logged into your account, and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner to go to menu. From your menu, go ahead and tap right here on Settings, under Settings and Privacy. So once you open settings, it is very easy. Just scroll down and find an option that says active status right here. From here, make sure to turn it off by tapping on this toggle and then tap on turn off, and that is it, how you do it, guys. It is very easy. Now let's head out to the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in here as well, and then from the Messenger app, once it loads up, tap on the three lines in the top left corner right here. This menu will pop up. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of it. You'll be taken to the screen. Just scroll down a little bit and you find the same option that says active status. Tap on it. This time you find two options. The one you're looking for is the first one, so just to go ahead and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. You get options right here. If you want to turn it off for good, just choose until I change this and then tap on pause in the bottom, and that is how can you do it, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like this video, and of course leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.